Today, I'll show you how to save your work in LibreOffice, ensuring that all your hard work is securely stored. Whether you're working on a document, spreadsheet, or presentation, knowing how to properly save your files is crucial. So let's dive right in and get you familiar with this essential process. First things first, make sure you have the LibreOffice application installed on your computer. Once you've confirmed that, go ahead and open the app. LibreOffice is a versatile suite that offers various tools for different types of documents, and we're going to focus on Writer, which is their word processing tool. Once LibreOffice is up and running, you'll be greeted with the main menu where you have several options to create different types of documents. For this tutorial, click on Writer Document. This will open up a blank document where you can start typing whatever content you need, whether it's a simple note, a detailed report, or anything in between. Feel free to take a moment to type some text. Remember, the more you engage with the process, the easier it becomes to remember these steps. After you've typed out your text and you're satisfied with the content, it's time to save your work. Look to the top left corner of your screen and you'll see the file option in the menu bar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu offers several options related to file management, and saving is one of the most important among them. When you click File, you'll see options like Save and Save As. If this is the first time you're saving the document, or if you want to create a new version with a different name or location, you'll need to use Save As. Clicking Save As will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to store the file. It will also ask you to name your document. Be sure to choose a name that's both descriptive and easy to remember, as it will make it easier to find later. If you've already saved the document once and are simply making updates, you can just click Save. This will overwrite the current version of the document with your latest changes, ensuring that everything is up to date. It's always a good practice to save frequently while you're working to avoid losing any changes if something unexpected happens. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to save a document in LibreOffice. Remember, saving your work regularly is a simple yet effective way to safeguard your efforts and ensure that you can always pick up right where you left off. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other questions about using LibreOffice, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Happy writing!